I genuinely don't know what happened this week, but I left my house every single day this week. There were events, there were PR packages, there was a day at Meta office. I had an argument with my boyfriend. I shot an ad for a brand. I had a horrible experience at a nail salon, which kind of ruined my nails. And there was a lot of chilling and spending time with friends as well. So, welcome to this very chaotic weekly vlog. I hope you guys have fun watching this.
ये देखो हमारा ड्राइवर डाल रहा है पानी.
Pratik is so mean because he wants to drink right now. He feels like drinking. I have to drive. Nobody's asking me if I want to drink, but anyway, I won't.
Guys, what a nice driver we have.
Saturday night and we are twinning. By the way, yes, we are twinning.
ये दोनों तो फुल दारू पी के टाइट है जिसकी वजह से
It's Saturday night and we are बेवड़ा पी के tight.
इसलिए हम लोग
थोड़ा going to be a बेशर्मी की night.
हाँ ये रैप 91 में ओपन करने वाला है बंदा.
Anyway, हम लोग वापस मिलते हैं and all we do is we eat and drink and eat and drink more. We are here अभी सोजो में आए हैं and we've come to Warsaw to explore Sozo and we've ordered like way too much food items, but I'll show you guys today what have we ordered. I look so sleepy because I've woken up at like 4:30 in the morning. 4:30 in the morning. I'm so much better than everybody here because I woke up at 4:30. I like Rebel. I love Rebel.
रैपर की बात हो.
रैपर की बात कर रही हूँ मैं. रिचा को हम लोग ने बिकॉज हम लोग ने ओवर ऑर्डर किया है तो फिर रिचा इज लाइक कि उसको प्रॉन्स खाने नहीं मिल रहा है. कुछ ओवर ऑर्डर नहीं किया. I can already smell the truffle. Very yum. And this is Bao Burger. This is coconut cloud. Very yum. तेरा कॉफी कैसा है?
क्यों टेढ़ा लेके?
नहीं क्या? I was doing this also. ये देखो twinning brothers. And we're twinning sisters. Same time पे हमने किया है. Our veg ramen is here. All tasted, but we are waiting for the veggie chicken to come. Our first reaction. Spicy,
Rated 6 or 10.
but better. Better. हम लोग ने फर्स्ट 2 रामेन मंगाए चिकन में और वेज में और दोनों रिकट करके स्पाइसी में बिकॉज बिल्कुल बड़ी टेस्ट था वो. अभी इट इज माय टाइम टू टेस्ट इट. रोटी रंग का टेस्ट आ रहा है.
Testing.
What is this गवारगिरी?
उल्टा बोलने गया और मेरा ही निकला नहीं.
The paneer is nice.
उसको बोलना कैसे तुमने
क्या तूने क्या किया अभी?
इनको एविल बोला.
और तूने अभी एवोकाडो का क्या बोला?
Just be real. For the
I'm very real. Even when I fumble, I say that on camera that I fumble. How ये कब से कर रहे थे को पता है?
एविल स्ट्रिप्स मिला के वजह से बोला था वो भी दीक्षा के वजह से.
Yeah, अच्छी है. We are just struggling with that. मैं अब तक खाई भी नहीं हुई इसमें. Finally, I've got one bite. प्रतीक के साथ खाना sharing मतलब task है. It's a task.
Hi guys, I promise I am wearing something. I'm not naked, but it's date night and I'm getting ready for date night. Obviously, I mentioned that, but we're gonna go to this place that's newly opened. It's in Lower Parel, so we have to like travel for 45 minutes because it's far from where we stay. So yeah, anyway, I'm getting started this early for a dinner for the first time, but I think these are some of the longest days in June, and which is why the sun does not set anytime before like 7:30. Like it's still pretty like daylight outside, and my brain cannot process that we're gonna go for dinner in this broad like sunlight and daylight. It's almost like 6 right now. We have reservation for 7, so I don't know how we're gonna reach there because I have to do my makeup, my hair and everything. So anyway, I'll just quickly get ready and then show you my fit and my look, and let's go. Okay, I am ready. Let's go. I'm gonna show you my fit. Fit मुझे बहुत पीछे आना पड़ रहा है, and I have socks, transparent socks with like cute rose detailing, which I've worn my normal like red, what are they called, Mary Jane I think. And I've got a bag. Let me show you what's in my bag. I have this lip oil from Mars in the shade Toffee Twirl, which is also what I'm wearing. This is just a lip liner thing that I'm carrying because it's a good shade, but I don't think I need it today. So anyway, and that's not all. I obviously have to carry like more important things like my MAC setting powder because it is gonna be too oily the moment I step out of my house. So I need to like settle my oil. I have a really like sweaty prone skin and I sweat a lot. So that's there. My fit is an old skirt and I have like DIY'd into this thing in the back like a corset situation. I am wearing cute rings. I don't have my nails done because I don't want to get them done anymore. And yep, heart earrings, heart necklace, and that's it. What do you guys think? Rated out of 10, probably like an 8, 9, or even 5 maybe, but whatever it is, let me know in the comments what do you think of this bit. I'm really hungry.
We are here at Naira and we've ordered for our cocktails. Actually, both the cocktails have been ordered by you. He's ordered one of the filter coffee thing which comes in the signature like filter coffee style.
ओल्ड फैशन की है.
Old fashioned.
ओल्ड फैशन में भी उसमें थोड़ा कॉफी है, थोड़ा है, बट इट विल कम विद फायर ऑन द टॉप.
Fire thing that's gonna happen live on the table. So उसके लिए मैंने वो चीज़ order किया. Let's see now how that comes. And then we've ordered like a salad and one of the mushroom thing. Let it come and then I'm gonna show you.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night.
गाइस मेरा जिम इसके ऊपर है एग्जैक्टली, ठीक है. सागर का जिम दूर है. सागर इज लाइक टुडे मैं तेरे जिम में आना चाहता हूँ, ठीक है. नाउ आई नो वो क्यों मेरे जिम में आना चाहता है, बिकॉज मेरे जिम के नीचे मैकडॉनल्ड्स है एंड बंदे को ये करना है, आइस्ड कॉफ़ी पीनी थी. दैट इज़ द होल रीज़न ही केम टू माई जिम.
हुआ क्या ना, कल फॉरन को मैंने बोला था फॉरन मेरे लिए आइस कॉफी लेके. आई डोंट आस्क फेवर्स ऐसे यूजुअली, बट एक दिन मैंने बोला बट फॉरन लेके नहीं आए मेरे लिए.
Because McDonald's ran out of water. I thought he wants to like accompany me, cheer me up in my gym, or just teach me like new exercise. But no, he was done half an hour before my workout, and then half an hour he was sitting outside my gym stairs पे. और अरे पेट में से आवाज़ आ रही, भूख की होगी शायद. He was sitting outside my gym in this college looking avatar with phone like this, like sleeping. PUBG के पोजीशन में basically. मैं थोड़ा वो PUBG खेल रहा है, तो मूवी देख रहा है, जिम के बाहर बैठ के, और जिम नहीं कर रहा है. मतलब आधा घंटा कर लेना, कुछ नहीं तो ट्रेडमिल कर ले, क्या ही हो जाए. नहीं, मैं जिम के बाहर बैठ रही हूँ. The sun has finally showed up today. पूरे दिन में it was very like monsoony feeling, grey clouds all around, but now it shows up just when I want to show you my new PR package. Obviously, this is not the front side. My front side has the address, which is why I'm not showing you that side. Don't trust the creeps on the internet anymore. Been waiting, the entire morning to open this package so that I can open it in front of the camera. And you don't know how tempting it feels when you have like a package at home ready and you can't open it. Like you immediately want to open it, right? I was waiting so that we could do it together. That's how considerate I am of you guys. But this is from Tuluwa. Okay, it's a big package. It says, after investigating across sources, one thing became clear: spices don't need improvement. Scan to trace your spice. This is like a spice range, and this looks like a case file. The Great Masala Mess. Oh my god, what is this? Very interesting though. Ministry of Spice Investigation Bureau. They're actual case files. Dude, so much thought has been put into this. Like, minute se minute details. Wow. This is some next level, like, दिमाग लगा के पूरा बनाया हुआ. Dude, I've never received like spices. This is the first time. Black pepper, kali mirch, black pepper powder. What do you think this is? This is Kasuri Methi. I am thoroughly impressed. I mean, other brands, if you're watching this, take notes. This is some next level shit. I am going to get my nails done. Just getting my gel polish basic done. The last time I went to the salon, I literally had like good length, which I was trying to grow for months, and I stopped doing acrylic. I was just doing the gel polish on my natural nails, and she fucked up so bad. She reduced my length. She fucked up the shape. I had a very beautiful shape. I had to like cut down all my nails, and just basically like I was so annoyed. I think that gel polish did not even like last for us like 7 days because I was very annoyed, and I was not really happy with the unevenness of the shape. Like my OCD was really triggered. I'm gonna go get it done now again for my Chotusa nails, and we're gonna start the journey. I don't like this. They are so ugly right now. Need to literally have something. Normal manicure does not like look good on my nails on me. I have literally like Chotusa hath baby hands in mere. See. So I look really like a baby, and I want to look like a paddy. I don't know what am I even. Why did I say that? We're back. I am having my protein shake, and we're having this in a McCafe mug that was gifted to me by McDonald's so that I can pretend that tastes nicer, I suppose. Oh, I forgot to show you all my nails I did yesterday. Oh, my ring. It's not like an engagement ring, please. It's my ring, and I like to wear it on this finger. I've been doing this since I think I was in my teens, and I've just found this ring again, so I'm wearing it again. But look, let me show you properly. Yep. So I got these nails. They are like Heinz ketchup red nails. That's what I like to call them because they're like super dark red. Anyway, I just got done with the gym. I've been consistently going to the gym every morning this entire week. I've been sleeping well. I'm consuming my protein every day. Like having the paneer also in the evenings and protein shake in the morning post gym because I get like super hungry. I feel sad to tell you all this, but protein really does make a difference, especially like a protein shake, consuming enough protein, because I do go a little heavy on my workout, and the way I used to be sore before, I am not. Like in my previous vlog, I told you that I go to the gym 4 days, work on 4 muscles, and then the second round of those muscles don't come that easily because my muscles are still sore from the first round because I don't consume enough protein. But this time I'm doing things differently, so I am seeing a difference. I received one of the best hampers in a long time. I actually say this about all the hampers, but this one is from Nailin X Home Essentials. It's such a nice box. It came with this. I already opened and like saw everything, and I'm so excited to show you my new bottle for the gym, or just my new bottle in general to carry around everywhere. It's so cute and I love the colors. I am excited to have another press on nail to my collection. I only use Nail in It, and once I use another brand, but apart from that, all the press ons that I wear are from Nail in It. It's like a nice soft towel. It actually feels really soft and luxurious on my skin. And then we have like this book, this something to like play with. It's so fun. Honestly, loved it. I got all these things in the hamper because Home Essentials is opening up at Sky City, be like so near to home. So it's exciting. I think it's opening on the 13th of June. So if you're around, come drop by. I'm sure there are some like goodies and giveaways happening on that particular day. So yeah. Guys, look at this. I didn't make actually, I just assembled Greek yogurt with mango. And this is my evening snack because why not? It has 8 grams of protein for sure because Greek yogurt has that. And I don't know how much protein mango has, or does it even have protein? I'm not sure. Girl is getting all the protein however she wants, in whatever form she wants. I don't know what am I saying. कोई sentence का meaning ही नहीं समझ रहा है, but I'm trying to basically have protein. This looks so fancy. I think this is your sign to just go creative and go all out and serve things and make things however you want. Like this is a cocktail glass. This is a gin cocktail glass, and I'm having a snack in this because why not? Yum. yet another morning and I wake up at 5:45 a.m. I think it's very normal for me to wake up this early, apparently. I'm looking at Sagar because मेरे को पता है वो judge करता रहेगा, but honestly it is normal. I'm going for a shoot and after that we're going to go for a fun day at Meta. So that is exciting and I love the light nights. Anyway, let's go. Oh, did you all see my new bottle? Isn't this cute?
ले लेना अपना ना लेस बांधने का काम है 5 रुपए ले दे अपन दिन का
5 रुपए किस किस का लेस बांधता है तो 5 रुपए में I literally take a fan even when it's so windy out here, but we finally got done with the shoot. It's 8:45 right now and we started by like 7:45, so 1 hour mein we finished our shoot, which is great. This was our view. Sagar and I both have become toasted bread according to him. He has a change of clothes and obviously he can like wash off his face, but I can't because I have put my makeup and I have to directly go to like the Meta office looking like this. It's so I feel so disgusted because the humidity, the salt water on my body. I don't feel good, but I don't have an option. Like I can't take a shower anywhere. Even if I can, what clothes do I wear? Like the same ones? It's bad. We gotta do what we gotta do. We can't go back home and change and then come back again because it's gonna be like super late. Our coffee is here. Yum. So like much needed. We will have to quickly consume this big glass because we have to reach the office ASAP. Don't wanna be late for that. We're here at 1 BKC and now we're going at Meta office. Like the registration and everything else took so much time that it's almost like 10:56. We were supposed to be here by 10:45 and we were here at 10:45, but parking, registration, everything took us time. So anyway, I think we should still be there before 11. Meta spoiling us, and how this coffee here for everybody on the table and popcorn. Cute, love it. Pampers.
Going ahead and making those.
I am. We are done and we are leaving for home now. Chalo, signal chalu ho gaya. Quickly I'm going to show you all the fit. नहीं आ रहा है, let's show the And I'm wearing this cute skirt overhead. Oh, cute skirt and my pink heels, stilettos maybe, Shukusa. And we're going to Sky City Mall for the store launch of Home Essentials. You all saw the hamper, that was the invite for the store launch. So I'm gonna go there and probably like shop some more because I'm excited. Home decor always makes me so excited. Like I always want to like buy stuff, but everything is so expensive. But we're gonna go shop today. What the heck? We're here at Sky City Mall. बाहर से आवाज आ रहा है. Oh God, हम जो इवेंट के लिए जा रहे हैं उधर ही इतनी आवाज और भीड़ है. मैं लिटरली ऐसे ही ब्लॉग कर सकती हूँ. देखिए हम लोग कहाँ पे आए हैं? OVS Pranjali Goddess here and हम लोग अभी शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं.
Having a coffee. Coffee was sweet enough to give us coffee.
Yeah, and actually they provided us cappuccino क्योंकि हम लोग को espresso नहीं पीना था, black coffee नहीं पीना था. We got socks. तू क्या ली? Sure. Yes.
This very boho bed.
And here lounge wear.
मेरा lounge wear भी है. अरे मैं बहुत clumsy हूँ. और ये lounge
Yeah, so cute.
ना.
But guys, she introduced me to this brand and देखो कुछ बोलना about the brand and this.
मुझे अक्षय ने इंट्रोड्यूस कराया है. मैं खुद का ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाती नहीं हूँ, तो उसी से ही पूछते हैं.
You went to the concert as well, na?
OVS के बारे में पता?
Yeah.
About what?
Like, what is the brand and why should we shop from here?
Acha. Are they an ambassador, right? Are they paying us?
No, this is just my YouTube vlog.
So specifically for OVS, I would say I think it's a counterpart of Zara and H&M, but done in an Italian way. And I think people should check out the denims because of the curation done by AGVs, a very good brand. They're very expensive. They sell for about 25 to 30,000, but you can get the same AGV for your for about 3 to 4,000. So check that out.
सुन तो ना बचपन में ये और इसकी दो
यही प्रॉब्लम है।
हाँ, देख सागर इसको रिकॉर्डिंग बटन कहते हैं।
ये ना
तो कपड़े और
अरे यार उसको बोल चाहिए लक चाहिए। हमने शॉपिंग कर ली है एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू ट्राई आवर लक ऑन दिस। एक ही बार
बहुत ज़्यादा घुमा लिया यार।
टम्बलर 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 ये लेट्स गो ये है ओके। चीयर्स गाइस। ये देखो सब ड्रिंक करते हैं और मैं स्मूदी बोल पीती हूँ बस फॉर सम टाइम। नहीं गाइस मैं बहुत सुधर गई।
ये ऐसे दिखा दिए, इसके आइस क्यूब भी ऐसे दिखा दिए वो।
लगता है
बहुत बड़ा है।
चलो आज कौन जीतेगा? मैं। कौन जीतेगा?
मैं
कौन जीतेगा बोल वापस।
नहीं बोलता है ना, मेरा बेटा रिचा ही जीतता है।
नहीं लेट्स प्ले। रिचा तो बाय डिफॉल्ट मतलब पता नहीं वो कैसे राउंड में आके जीत जाती है। जो गेम से पहले बाहर निकलता है वो जीतता है। सो आई वन द गेम में फर्स्ट आई गाइस। People are still playing. This is loser number 2. किधर गया ये
Actually done better than her.
better than her. मेरा गर्लफ्रेंड नौकरी है। सुक्कू इज बैंकर। वो बैंकर इसलिए बनी बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट हर मॉम वांटेड हर टू बी।
You guys
तो
remember मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था जो कुछ बोलता नहीं है वही
मैं जीत गई हूँ लेकिन दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज वेरी क्वाइट थ्रू आउट।
वेलकम टू मोनोपली एट फोरास नेस्ट। सबसे बड़ी रोतड़ू यहाँ पे बैठी है
सुक्कू देखो देख क्या बोल रहा है प्रतीक। सबसे बड़ी
एंड ये बायस बैंकर है।
नॉट एट ऑल। घर की लक्ष्मी को
फिलहाल प्रेडिक्शन है कि सागर गेम पलटने वाला है। देखो
दिख गया ना मैं।
व्हाट डू यू से सागर?
अभी इसका जबान गंदा है।
व्हाट डू यू थिंक ऋषभ? पलट गया ना गेम अपने पास।
अबे तो तू तेरे होटल निकाल। अभी सुक्कू किधर रहेगी?
बाप रे।
This is a real person. Just received this package. This is the new range of body wash from Poop. I've already finished using like 2 bottles of it, and this is the new launch, which is in a different flavor of. This is the lavender and chamomile, and this is a citrus flavored.